Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a glitter look for you, very shiny. Okay, so yeah, I hope that you enjoy. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm priming my face with the NYX Shine Killer. I've already prepped my skin. Next, I'll be doing my brows with my e.l.f. Cream Glide Lip Liner shade Doppio Espresso. I cannot even see for real. I don't know why lately I've been doing no eyelashes, just mascara. With my makeup. I feel like I just like it better. And I have so many lashes, I feel like I don't like those styles anymore. They're okay. I just bring that brow pencil. I just bring the product to the front of my brows. I sweep it forward and up. I'm using my Pro Concealer in the shade Medium Beige. This is a type of flat brush. I'm literally holding my breath. Next, I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 360. And I'm not blending my foundation into my hairline because my bangs will be covering my hairline anyways. You want to make sure you get under your chin. And next to your ear. Back here under your jawline. Next, I'm using this Thread Cosmetics shade 190 as my contour. I'm showing you the wrong side. Okay. I'm just using the side of the brush, just this side, like that, not like this. using like a fluffy brush for my nose contour. Hi, baby. Good morning. Good morning. Mommy doing makeup. Next, we're going in with the same Pro Concealer Medium Beige. I'm wetting my beauty blender. Not too much. I don't like too much concealer on my chin. I'm gonna add more concealer to my forehead. I'm blending out the edges of my concealer first, and then I work my way up under my eye. I was gonna do a bright under eye again, but I guess not. I'm liking the way it looks right now. NK Perfection Pressed Powder in the shade Butterscotch is what I'll be using to set my concealer. And I like to drag the concealer up my eye as well. I'm using the butt of my beauty blender to blend in my eye. Micah, what you over there talking about? What my baby saying? Hi. Hi, baby. Hi, honey. Okay, I'm using this SK brush. I don't know, girl. I don't even know the brand for real. But yeah, I'm dusting off any leftover powder because you don't want no flashback, believe me. Okay, my storage got full. I was using these shades from the Flamingo palette. I started off with this one, this one, this one, and I'm using the 39L Lights palette, this color right here for my crease. Setting my face with the Morphe setting spray. Okay, and this is the finished makeup look. I went in with my Duo blush and I used my e.l.f. liner in the Superstay Matte Ink shade 10 for my lip, and I used an eyeshadow glitter shadow from my Morphe palette for my highlight, and I set my face with the Morphe spray as you saw. For mascara, I went in with my Tarte Man Eater, and that's it. Oh, the gloss. Okay, this is the lip oil hydrating. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click that like and subscribe button, and also leave a comment. Let me know what you think of my makeup. I know I ate down. You could just tell me. You can remind me. Mm.